Connection is the new competitive advantage in business.
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. In business world, we've always been wondering what's the competitive advantage? How am I better than my competitor? How can we compete in the business world? And let me tell you what, in the 21st century, especially, connection is the new competitive advantage. What do I mean by that? Today, people are willing to pay double, triple the price if they feel connected to a company because of the company's cause, because of the company's vision, because of the company's mission. So connection is truly becoming the competitive advantage for businesses in the 21st century. People now want to buy from houses they connect their hearts with, not just looking at the price. Of course, price is a factor, but what I'm saying is the game is changing and connection is becoming an advantage for a lot of businesses. And how do you create connection? You create connection with effective communication. So next time we're working with business communication, we're talking to vendors, we're talking to suppliers, we're talking to customers, we're talking to everybody around us. Let's focus on forming good connections, not just selling, not just talking. Because when you build good connections, that can become the competitive advantage for your business. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.